Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, so let's start with the version. And the build number is right here. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and you will have to enter your screen lock to confirm everything. We've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings and then enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the 4x MSAA, whichever it is. We can change the window animation scale, show layout ones, for example, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the Bluetooth, overall with the networking, because we've got USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top of the list. And now you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.